Hi everybody, this is Mac Productions 06. Going to do a quick little tutorial on the IMetro theme for Dreamboard. Just going to show you how to sync your iPad. Lovely. Just going to show you how to extend the app area on the IMetro theme. You can extend it really far. Of course, you have to extend the background as well. Yeah, in this area you can put more apps and just rock it. Alright, so what you need first is to SSH into your iPad. Download OpenSSH from Cydia and get like CyberDuck for Mac, and log in to here. You're going to go to your Dreamboard folder, IMetro folder, and edit your current.plist folder file. So we get here. The first part is just talking about your change username, log off, and cancel info. So no need to worry about that stuff. So if you do Apple F, you can bring up the find window, and you can find content height. Now the content height is how wide this theme will go. So right now mine was set to ridiculous amounts of 10,000, but I think it started off at 3,600. So the content height is the width of the theme, and the content width is the height when you are in landscape mode, which this theme is. So let's go back to the current.plist. So right now you can see it's at 10,000, the height. Really ridiculous right now. So I'm going to set it back to 4,500 is where I have it right now. Everything else you really don't have to worry about. That's just screen size. Alright, so we're gonna go to one of my apps right here, the Adam Carolla app. It's pretty sweet. Here is it separated out from the code so you can tell where it begins and ends. It begins with the dict and closes with /dict. The first set of numbers up here is your position coordinates. The first two, this is the height of where your app is going to show up, and this is the width, like where on the screen. So it would be reversed. The bigger number, the 39 whatever, would be the height, and the 343 would be the width, or whatever it is. Yeah, 343. So you can change these two numbers to change where the app is going to be positioned. This is the app ID name here. Now, if I wanted to change this to a larger tile, say 2 wide and 1 high, so 1 high is 120, we'll change this to 248 for 2 high, and then you'd see 120 for the height, which is what we want, and 248 for the width. Don't need to mess with that stuff. Same down here, 248, and then here is where you need to change the tile background. It used to be small, but if you want to make it a large tile, you need to go and change it to capital L large, trans large PNG, so that, I mean, your app won't be squished, but it will be cropped by the mask, which is this photo right here. So let's recap here. These are the position coordinates, where your app's going to show up, your app, and then your icon dimensions. So my icon is just a regular square tile, so I'm going to set this back to 120 by 120 and change this back into small. Now if you wanted to add more spaces for icons, you know, you would change your content height to make it wider to have more space for your icons, and then you would just copy this whole thing, copy, paste, and then you would change the position coordinates for the